So the 3 keys to success in network marketing, the first one is be coachable. You have to listen to the people that have the experience. They want to teach you, but sometimes you also have some stubborn people. They don't want to listen, and then they get disappointed because they don't have the results they want. The second one is you have to take action. And I believe it's even better, especially in the beginning, to have massive action, to work hard every hour that you can find, put it into your business, because it will be easier in the beginning if you work hard, because the energy level is really high. So the last one, most important, never quit. Yeah, a lot of disappointments might be there will be some obstacles, and they are there for a reason, because you need to become better. So it's not that you want less obstacles or less challenges, but you need to develop personally so you can overcome those obstacles easier. So that can only happen when you never quit, never give up.